I've got another one coming up on November 17th in Spring, Texas, which is a kind of a bedroom community of Houston. So if you live anywhere near Houston, Texas, or if you're a Texan, if you like things big and yellow, I'm going to be coming to your state. And what we're going to be doing is a senior photography workshop that's going to really delve into lighting and the basics of lighting. We're going to start in a studio in Spring, Texas. A friend of mine, Becky Kessel, is going to provide the space for us. And what we're going to do is we're going to basically talk about senior photography and how you can add value to what you're doing and get beyond your competition by using excellent lighting techniques. Lighting equals cash. Lighting equals money. That's how you make money in photography, is through lighting. So what we're going to start out in the classroom, we're going to start out with LEDs so that you can actually see with like live models what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using high school, college age people, probably athletes, because that's kind of what I do. And we're going to show you what all the different light modifiers do, what they look like. You're going to be able to shoot pictures along the way so that you'll be able to have these kind of photo notes after the fact. We're going to be using the Dynalite Baja units. They're called B5s. They're brand new. They're just starting to ship. The Bajas are really, really excellent strobe that I like. It's a battery-powered self-contained unit that's about a third or a quarter of the price of a Pro Photo. So we're going to have those on hand. I'm going to leave the Eventbrite information in the description area below. So please consider coming November 17th, Spring, Texas. It's a photography workshop about senior pictures and lighting. So I'm Patrick Murphy-Racy, a Sony Artisan of Imagery. Come on out and see us in Texas. Thanks so much.